Okay, excuse me. So I've traded UVXY here 3 times today, and I'm up close to 5 grand on the trade. But so I wanted to just recap the trades here on it. So you can see this is obviously the SPY, and it's now it's a 5-wave declining channel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But when I first entered it, the UVXY was in here at the 12 or 1180 area. The ETF had moved up, and I got long at right in here. So it came back, it came up, pulled back. Now what I was looking for was the SPY to in this area here, so it had come down and bounced. And when it broke through this level here, then that's when I went long the UVXY at the 1280 or at 1180, and I covered at 1217. So I took this in here, and then I covered in here when it took this bounce. So from a SPY point of view, this is this was the first wave down, and here this would have been the first correction on it, and then this would be the second, excuse me, third wave down. So this would be a 1, 2, 3. I was looking for maybe a 4 and then a 5, but what happened was it did make this move here. So this then, what this turned out to be then was wave 1 and wave 2, like this. When this stock broke below here, that's where I took that trade. Then it bounces in here, and you can see the corresponding move here. So we've got this wave 1, wave 2. So then my next one was at 1217. So I sold at 1210, 1180 to 1210, made 30 cents on that. Then I go long again at 1217. So this is the high here, right in here. And it makes this, makes this, come on, do it. It makes this saucer pattern in here, but this is wave 2. And I'm looking to go long over the high here of this high was 1217. So I re-entered when the stock does, it just pops above it, does pull back, but I get long 1217, did pull back as low as 1206. And again, 1209, but then it takes off. And this is the start, now the start of wave 3. And on this wave, I sell at 1239 for no other particular reason than I wanted to lock some profits in, 1239. When it hits, and at 1250, which is an area of, natural resistance, I sell some at 1251. And then it continues on. It has this pullback. It probably pulls back a bit and continues on. So this could be a. So this is a 5-wave pattern inside of inside the third wave. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I sell at 1251, 1278, and then 1293. I said so. It trades over 13. And so I moved my stop up to under 1295 or something like that. And it double tops and then rolls over and comes off hard where I exit my position. And this then becomes the 4th wave. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, of course, don't forget, we don't see this. And we see it pulling back here. Okay, but so now what I'm looking for on this next pullback, because I'm believing this is a 5-wave pattern, it's pretty well defined. So 1, 2, 3, 4th pullback, and it's coming into this area here. So I'm watching it on the 5-minute chart on another screen, and here's what it looks like. So 1, 2, 3, and it's got this 4th pullback. And we get this green candle. So this is the second pullback. Here's the first pullback. And this would actually have been the entry opportunity in here on the first pullback. hit a high of 12, and then this one, when it broke over 12, that was the buy. First pullback entry up. So now I'm looking for the next green candle to make a new high. So here we are. This is 1280, and this one makes a new high of 1282, and I go along at 1281. Now this is a bit of a tricky candle because it is a spinning top, and that's usually a candle of indecision. But as luck would have it, it does continue on and away it goes, and I sell at 13. Let's go. So it breaks out of this 1281. I go long. I sell at 1302. I sell at 1319. I sell at 1338. I was looking to sell at 1350, but I happened to be posting to Ironman, and I missed that trade. So then when it rolled over, I bailed out on the balance. But that's my trade, and that's how I stay in them. That's how I read it. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5-minute chart. This is, you can see, let me draw some channel lines in here. But this is the uptrending channel for it, and when it hit that top of that channel, that's where I was looking to exit. Now it's pulling back, so this could be the fifth wave. We could look for fifth wave consolidation in here, but you can see this is the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-wave pattern, and I caught all the moves. I caught it here, I caught it here, and I caught it here. It's in an uptrending channel. I'm looking for these wave patterns, and I'm also looking for the first pullback and the second pullback. So there you go. That's how you find them, and that's how you stay in them.